This is a complete ineffective counter, rather. And why do I say that? Because it is the NDA which is now being projected, because all these years Mr. Modi had forgotten the NDA. And now the various parties that they have taken into the NDA recently, and of course we know all the corrupt people who are part of this entire group and this ND alliance, is clearly out there to tell people that yes, we are in alliance, because Mr. Modi is very scared that what is going to happen after the elections, because he knows very well he's in such a weak position today that after elections, when he doesn't get the numbers, those who are standing with him as part of the NDA are all going to fritter away. And if we take the example of what happened in Maharashtra, that is exactly what is going to happen, in the coming times. And Mr. Modi obviously is trying to do some damage control and send out some messages, but he's also showing that he is at his weakest. And why do I say that? Because since 2002, I would say that he has projected himself as a very strong leader. And after 2014, he showed weakness. But in 2019, after Pulwama happened, he asked for votes in the name of the martyrs, and that is why the country stood with him. And all of us stood with our government as far as our martyrs were concerned. But today, what we are seeing is something that we haven't seen in the last 10 years. Where was the NDA? Why was it not there? This show of strength of the entire ND alliance, it wasn't there in 2019 during his nomination either. So it's very clear that he knows that he is weak, and he's only trying to use use his interviews with various media persons and this show of so-called strength to prove that he's in an okay position.